packaging my stuff to go. This is all to go.
Here, Big Kayla.
Damn, she
Or here,
can't
Big
waste
Rizzy.
$1.
I can't. Shit.
Goddamn penny pincher.
Titty pincher.
What are you drinking? Urine?
Yummy.
Jesse's your
Hey Jessica, I have to go to the bathroom.
Let her piss herself.
Sure.
Can I borrow your adult diaper, please?
Sure.
I think I pissed myself. Can I borrow your pajamas, please?
That's a little weird.
Are you gonna take him home and wash him?
No,
She
I'm
better. She needs to.
just gonna give them back to her.
I think you might burn them.
Make sure you smear some like crap in there too after you're done
What?
using the bathroom.
Right? Like right in between your butt crack and moving.
Hey, wait, no, you can't do that because I bought those. You better return them washed.
You know what?
They better have some that.
Aren't they comfy?
You know what?
Yeah.
Bleach.
I'm keeping them.
Uh-uh.
I'm gonna forget to give them back to her.
Oh god. It's like how. It's because I really need them because I love to wear them. Okay.
The tags weren't even ripped off. And then when I asked you if you wore them, you were like, yeah, 2 or 3 times. And I thought maybe 2 or 3 times.
Hey, look at my fortune.
Yeah.
I think they're your favorite color too.
It's a time to help a friend
You
in
can't even
need.
see it.
Where the fuck's mine at?
I threw one. I threw mine. Okay, let's
Why is the
my
quality
damn
so
cracker.
crappy?
Hey Jessica, can you get that back
Because
there?
it is. How, Big Nora?
Can you get that back there, my cookie?
I lost mine. Can you look down there?
Fast. You like put it over there by your butt.
Oh, there it is. Ah. I don't need the cookie. Watch out, then.
I'm about to burp. Aim it at me. Watch
it at
and learn.
You stand in your own light. Make it shine. You put your